Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize chemical plant design? A question that's capturing the attention of those in the industry. AI, a technology that's transforming sectors from healthcare to entertainment, has significant potential in the realm of chemical plant design. Today, designing chemical plants is a complex process fraught with challenges. These range from intricate design requirements that demand high levels of precision to the high costs associated with building and maintaining these plants. On top of that, the need for stringent safety standards adds another layer of complexity. Enter artificial intelligence. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and learn from it, AI offers a tantalizing solution to these challenges. It can simulate processes, optimize layouts, and even predict potential safety hazards, revolutionizing the way chemical plants are conceived and constructed. What if I told you that the future of chemical plant design lies in the hands of AI? Let's delve into a real-world case study to illustrate this. Consider the case of a leading chemical company that implemented AI in its plant design process. Prior to this, the company faced numerous challenges. The design process was laborious and time-consuming, fraught with inefficiencies. There was a high risk of human error, leading to safety concerns. Moreover, the cost of trial and error in the physical world was substantial. Recognizing these issues, the company decided to integrate artificial intelligence into their design process. This was not a sudden leap, but a gradual transition, where they began to embrace the potential of AI. They used a combination of simulation software, predictive analysis, and layout optimization tools, all powered by AI. The simulation software was instrumental in creating virtual models of the plant. This allowed for testing and tweaking of designs in a risk-free environment long before any physical structures were built. Predictive analysis was used to anticipate potential issues and bottlenecks, enabling the team to make proactive decisions. The layout optimization